And good morning! Welcome to another Follow Me Friday. Maybe you're wondering, wow, Talina's so peppy right now because I just drank a full cup of coffee. Today we are going to take you along with us as we go to the Arizona Desert Museum. Also, additionally, less of a museum, more of like a zoo meets a museum. It's really cool. It's kind of hard to explain, so you're just gonna have to wait and see. Hey, no, no, hey, no, no, hey, no,
What's up, chocolate face? There you go.
Okay, just got here to the Arizona Desert Museum, and it's sprinkling just a little bit, but I'm not too worried because we brought our rain jackets. Also, I have a sleeping baby. Dun 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 dun. Sleeping child. Alright, now to wake the beast. Rora, what did you find? Did you find something cool at the museum? What is it?
What?
Yeah, those are fish. They're little fish magnets. You can move. Blub, 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 blub. Fish. Fish.
Look.
This is kind of hard to drive. What a cool view. So pretty. Where do you want to see it? We'll keep going. Okay, Aurora, we're about to go in the cave part. It's a little spooky at first, but it's actually really cool inside. They've made like a mock cave in here. It's very cool. Very neat. It has different interactive things. Aurora, are we learning how stalactites grow? Stalactites? Do you like it here in the cave? It's a little spooky until your eyes adjust, admittedly, but then after that it's really cool in here. This is my favorite part of the cave. I love it in here. They've made it like a replica of a real cave. Very, very cool. Do you like it, Aurora? I wish I could have caught it on camera, but the whole time we're going through the cave part, she's going, wow, wow. Did you do that?
Ma.
You want to see it again? I bet there's cool stuff to do here. You want to play in the rocks? Rara, you like your raincoat? Let me see, baby. Rara, are you ready for the adventure now? Let me see, baby. Rara, look at Mama. No, you're too busy. All right, she's ready for more. Okay, so birds are her current obsession of the day. Laura, do you like the birds?
Bye.
You were telling them bye? You don't want to stay and watch them?
What?
Birds. Every bird we pass, she is in love. Even if it's not even part of the museum. She loves the birds. Okay, I just had to pull over and get how beautiful this is. Look, you can't even see the top of the mountain over there because it's all fogged over. Isn't that pretty? So pretty.